Hey, hi, hello, this is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Soundeffects YouTube channel, and in this video, this is MacBook Air. As you can see, this is MacBook Air. Recently, I got it in this Flipkart Big Billion Days sale, and let's unbox this MacBook Air M1. The base variant, that's 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage with SSD. Let's unbox this video, and I'll be sharing some of the initial impressions of this MacBook Air in my video. And if you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, and let's begin the video. And the build quality is made out of metal. It's really good. The metal aluminum is used here. It's really good, and you get here the headphone jack and two Thunderbolt ports which are type C. You can use any dongle to connect the traditional USB ports, and there's a logo here, and opening up is also really easy. There's the keyboard and touch pad, mouse pad or whatever you call it out, and there's the display of like 13.3 inch if you count it diagonally. That's 13.3 inch with 2560 by 1600 pixels, which is 2K resolution, and it's a Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology, and it has 8-core CPU and 7-core GPU, the Mac M1 chip. And let me show you, these are stereo speakers present here, and it has two Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, what I explained, and it comes with Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi 6 and backlit keyboard. Let me show you. I'll turn off the lights, and now I'll increase the keyboard brightness. As you can see, it's look like this. That's how the backlit keyboard. It's really good in the full pitch black conditions. It's really useful. And that's how the keyboard, the key travel is also okay. It's not great or anything like that, but definitely for me it's very useful. Near each keywords, and a little bit space is given. That's fine for me, and for some people it might be difficult. So check out how much you need spacing. That's not a problem. If you want, you can even use external keyboard and mouse also, but this is really good. And these are the keys, and you get here the LED light for caps lock button. It's in green color, and this is the touch ID, and this volume up and down you can use here. And brightness is also, it's pretty bright even it outside. It's pretty bright, and it's pretty bright even in the outside also, and indoors also. It's, you can adjust as low as this, and that's how the brightness. And dual stereo speakers. Let me show you one sample from my videos, and if you're still not subscribe it guys. And this Poco X, and as you can see, this is how the volume. Let me, this is almost 40%. Let me increase up to 100. The stereo speakers is really good, and the video quality is also good. Because of copyright, I can't show good videos. And the initial impressions, it's good. And coming to like, I got like 5GB of update when I first booted up. Let me show you. As you can see, it's now up to date with Mac OS Big Sur 11.6. That's the latest version, and these are the apps. I still need to add my Apple ID and everything. I'm still checking out. It's really good. The build quality, the display, the stereo speakers, the keyboard is also one of my favorite, and the touchpad. It's really good. Let me show you here. For example, this is how the touchpad works. It's really good. No need of external mouse. This is really great. And this comes with pre-installed Mac OS, and it comes with also the 8-core CPU and 7-core GPU, which is M1 chip. And the build quality and the initial impressions, it's really good. The keyboard, everything is really good in this laptop. Stay tuned to review or like that I'm going to make on this channel of this MacBook Air. Already many people made. Let's see what is my experience with this MacBook Air, and do comment down below who are already using this MacBook Air or Pro with M1 chip. How is your experience with this laptop? Feel free to comment down below. And this is how the MacBook Air, which is slim, almost 1.3 kg I guess. Let me see the specifications. It's almost 1.3 kg the weight, which is slim and super finish. There are 3 colors available I guess in India. This one the gold, the other one gray, light gray, this like dark gray, silver, and the gold color. You get 3 colors, and variants you get multiple variants with storage options. That's how you can choose. This MacBook Air is like very good thing. After using it like almost I used it for 24 hours. The experience with this Mac is really good. Yes, I am the first time user for this Mac, or even I never used iPhones that much. I just personally did not use iPhones for some reasons, and this is the first time I am going into this MacBook with iOS. And this is a very light and super powerhouse in this system, which is really good. And the initial impressions, that display, sound quality, and the mouse pad, and even the touchpad, whatever you call this touchpad, and the keyboard, the experience of the user interface is really good. I'm first time to this user interface, but I felt very easy and even secure also to connecting with this user interface. And this is very lightweight. This is how the MacBook Air M1, the chip is also really mean to this laptop, and it's really great to have this laptop. And this is the MacBook Air unboxing and initial impressions in my channel. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed to the channel, hit down the subscribe down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And lots of unboxing videos are coming in this week and in this month in my channel, so have a look on those videos. And I already made several videos on custom ROMs and some of the unboxings, and earphones and some of the smartphones unboxings are also coming. So meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep watching. Bye bye for now.